Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create equalizer preset for the speaker ANKER Soundcore BOOST. You have to start by opening the application. Now click on the equalizer and go to custom. And right here you can choose the best one for you and leave it here, go back, and you will have this custom preset. If you don't like it, you can also click reset, yes, and leave it like by default. Also you can create more than one custom preset, so just click here, name it, let's say test, done, and also make something. And the last one, you can choose preset custom, let's say, go to settings and remove this one. Now, oh, sorry, yeah, right here you should click on this right circle and click delete and delete it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.